This is the VMAX HWID Spoofer, and this is a hardware ban, just like these. And let me show you. Remember this name that I'm gonna log in with, and let's see what happens when I'm trying to enter Valorant. You can clearly see that I'm hardware banned in the game, so let's fix this. And I'm gonna keep this without any cuts at all. I'm gonna go to the spoofer tab. You can customize your motherboard settings if you like. I'm gonna keep it this way, and I'm gonna go ahead and press natural spoof just like this. For your time's sake, I'm just gonna speed this up a little bit. And now it's finished, which means my serial numbers, my motherboard, everything has been spoofed and nothing else to do, just that press of a button. And you can see right here in the hardware ID tab that all my serials are green. That is absolutely amazing. So now I'm gonna go ahead and open the right client, and I'm gonna show you that I'm on the exact same account by logging out. And I told you to remember the name, so I hope you did. Let's just sign out here. I'm gonna hide my clipboard because that's where my key is. So let's just go ahead and take the name. You can see it's the same one. You can check if you want. Okay, let's log in. Go to Valorant, and now if I'm gonna press play and enter the game, let's see if anything changed. Let's speed this up a bit. Any moment, and there we go. I think that's it. Basic training means I made it past. That's absolutely it. There's no tricks to this, there's nothing else to it, and just one press of a button.